So today we have a nice, awesome code reader right here, and this is not only just a code reader, it is also does diagnostics, it does all other little things for the OBD2, and this is specifically for Toyotas. I know they make one for Hondas as well, but with it being specific to the specific car brand, it will also unlock hidden features that are locked from the factory. So for the price that you pay for one of these, you can unlock a few little features on your car. And obviously the newer your car, the more features it probably has that are hidden. So today, I know I went over this kind of scan tool a while ago. They have slightly updated it, as well as gave it a little bit more features. So we're going to go over those features, and I wanted to go over on my Corolla here today because a lot of people were wondering, what kind of features does this unlock on the Corolla? So this is the Launch Elite version 2. And if you guys are interested, I will put a link down below to this. So it's very simple. Has the screen. This will plug into that, and then it'll plug right into your OBD2. So that's really all that comes in the box, other than a little bit of instructions on if you're curious how to use it. So, but let's actually hop in the car and plug this in and see what it does. Alright, so we're just going to plug this into our OBD2, and this will auto detect everything. So the car is running, so it's running in auto VIN detect. So after it runs the detect, it's going to ask you, I'm assuming one is for like an EV and the other one is for just your normal Toyota. So we're going to click that. So then it's going to ask you with or without a smart key, and it pretty much has detected everything: mileage, cylinders, year, everything about the car. So now it's going to do a scanning of the vehicle to see if there is any trouble codes. And I actually do have trouble codes because I have a lean code from my tune. I still have to get that tweaked out a little bit, but I have not had a chance to do that yet. But videos soon to come on doing some tuning to the car. So, but it'll run through all of the scans. It'll tell you, obviously, if it passes or not. So it'll give you a whole health report. And it'll tell you all your outages and everything like that per whatever it is. And if you wanted to go get more information about it, you can click it and see what it is. So I'm also getting these other codes because I think of that reason. I know I did have my battery turned off for a while, so that might also be something with a power supply voltage and stuff like that. So, and then you can clear and erase codes and everything like that. You can look at all your other things with the tire pressure, any other module that the cars have, it'll show on here. So, which is nice. And what's nice is you can clear codes on here. So you can hit clear and it'll clear everything for you if you have any codes. And also too, when this scan tool is scanning for codes, it's actually very quick compared to some of the other scan tools I've had. So definitely have to say the hardware in this unit is pretty good. And it's nice too because you can connect it to the Wi-Fi and actually send the reports and everything like that to like a computer or an email or something like that. So if you are using this as a tool for diagnostic for other cars, it's actually kind of nice to be able to show other people the data. I went to the diagnostics, entered all my information, and finally I was able to get to the selection I needed. It's like I had to rerun a health report first and then redo it again. I don't know why I had to do that, but once you get to this menu, you can get to all the vehicle information, You can also do diagnostics here and with the service function and everything like that. But we want to go to customize setting. So we'll enter that. And again, the newer the car you have, the more settings you're going to have. So you have things for your wireless door lock, the normal door lock, security, power window, wiper, illuminated entry, warning, light control, air conditioning, and so on and so forth. I'm going to go through and talk about all the ones that are associated with this car. So starting with the wireless door lock, I do want to adjust this because what it is when you go to unlock the car with the key, it'll only unlock the driver door, and then you have to press it twice in order to unlock all the doors. So I believe it's unlock to operation. I want to turn this off, hit OK, and then so that one's there. Like again, there's a lot of other things. So like if you don't like the way it sounds when you unlock the car, you can disable that kind of stuff. The wireless buzzer, I think that is when you go to lock your car but there's still a door open door warning. This too, if you want it to shut off or something, because maybe you always constantly are driving your car with the door open, I don't know, you can turn that off. The panic function, trunk lid operation, if you want, you can do a 1-time on, 2-time on, the long to, or prohibit. I'm assuming that you can disable it if you don't like it. So there's a few things with the wireless key. Then the auto lock time, which would be 60 seconds. If you unlock it and then don't touch it, you can change that as well. So there are a few things. So like I said, I changed the unlock to operation, so that way one unlock will do all the doors. That's just what I like. So the door lock, again, unlock key. It seems kind of redundant. There is another spot for it. So this as well, this one is turned off, but once you hit a certain speed, it'll lock the doors. If that's what you like, I'll turn it on just to see if it works or not. I've never really paid attention, honestly. Then once so this one would be you park and then you want all the doors to unlock when you unlock the driver door. So this one is turned on. So a lot of things for the door locks, obviously, that you can customize. Security doesn't have one. Power window, I don't know if this car has it or not, but I know on a lot of newer Toyotas you can unlock or roll down the windows with the key fob. I don't know if this car has it. We'll see. So yeah, this one does not have any data for the power windows. Wiper, most likely nothing is there as well. Illuminated entry. So this has a few things for that. Lighting time function. So like if your interior lights are on or whatever, they will turn off after about 15 seconds. A few things I'll just kind of go through. So warning, this is another one that I want to disable. You can disable the seatbelt chime telling you to buckle up. You can just disable that, I believe. Depending on your car, again, the age, this one you should be able to do the driver and passenger. Newer Toyotas, they also have sensors in the rear seats. So the driver buzzer, the seatbelt buzzer warning, I've already disabled that. I forgot I had done that a while ago. But I do need to do it on my GR Corolla, so I'll probably do that in a little bit. But yeah, you can disable the warning light. Light control, nothing for light control, probably nothing for air conditioning. Pretty much all the ones I went over have some options, a lot of the other ones for this car. So yeah, you can adjust things like with your wireless door lock key fob, the way the locks work when you're driving, some of the warnings for your seatbelts, and some illumination stuff. So there's not a lot for this car, But I know, like I said, on my GR Corolla, which is a 2024 Corolla, it has way more features where you can roll down the windows and all the other good stuff with your key fob. So don't just think that if you have a Toyota, it's useless for you. But even still, being able to disable some of these features or get access to these for the price of one of these is way cheaper and easier than going to the dealership. So I know the dealership, especially on an older car, they're probably going to charge you a base fee of probably $200 just to do one or two little things that you want them to do. But owning one of these, not only does it work great for a diagnostic tool, it also works great for unlocking hidden features. So if you own a Toyota, or if you have multiple Toyotas that you work on, these tools are a must to have. So if you guys are interested with one of these, I will be putting a link down below. But with all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.